Hello, so I just want to give you quick look to new AI website that I just found out. So the website called SCITE and then with dash, I think, or if you want to put it in the browser, you just type SCITE.AI/home. So I got this website from research workshop that utilize AI as a tool for writing articles. So I want to show you how powerful this website is. So first, you just click Assistant, and then you put the prompt that you want. So you have to be careful with the prompt, or you will get bad result. So I have prepared my prompt. So in my prompt, I type in my study, I found that optimal for expression in subcutaneous ADAC and visceral ADAC was 5 and 6 times higher than that in the ADAC saline control. So this is real findings of my study. However, the differences were not statistically significant. And this is only 2 sentences, right? So then the prompt is, please generate a paragraph, or maybe more than one paragraph. Generate a paragraph in the discussion section based on those findings. So I told the AI that I'm going to write in the discussion sections based on those findings. Discuss. So this is the prompt. Discuss with supporting studies, like more than one, and add contrasting finding from other study, if any. I don't know if it's any or not, and add in-text citation as well, and then generate at least 3 paragraphs. So I just click this icon, and the process is take quite long because the AI has to cross-reference between all the articles that they have in their database. So this is only for research study. So no Google, no website that in their database. Okay. So this is the search strategy that used by the AI. So optimal expression in ADAC, blah 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 blah, comparative analysis, and then they already collect 25 publication. This is like the list of the publication that they use to cross-reference with the prompt that I say. So now the AI has already generated 3 paragraphs, but then he did the fact checking. So he checked the fact regarding the answer that they produce, and now voila. So this is like the first paragraph, and he or she or they even cite my study, which is this is preprint. So this is like not published study, so I have to remove this later. And then this is other studies, the role of optimal for maintaining body positioning, blah 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 blah. And this is the contrasting study. It's not uniform and can be influenced. So from here, I just can use this writing as part of my discussion. So of course I have to like change a little bit, and then I have to check it in the Turnitin later if there is a plagiarism from their writing. But you can see like here the AI show the part of the study that they cite, like pluripotency and differentiation. Optimal for gene has long been an exclusive regulator. So this is the exact sentence, and then I think they paraphrase it, right? There's no not the same. And then another reference like hypothesis. So let's say if I didn't believe what they have collected, I just click this study, and then they will show the title, and then how many citation that the study got, like the article got, and then I just click view full text. If it is open access, it will be opened for us, but if it's not, we have to download it with other method. Look. So what are they cite? It was from Guasti. It's not too specific. At least we can say that optimal for expression in this place doesn't reach the level of robustness. This observation align with previous finding that indicate variability in optimal for expression. So this is the keyword, variability in optimal for expression among ADAC population. So we have to see, is there any. Look, these findings suggest that the ADAC lineage mixed phenotype underlines in passive and then control blast. Did the study even say any optimal for? Okay, at least there is an optimal for here. Yes, of course, we have to read the study and then cross-reference it if they actually cite real findings. But for Q3, Q4, I don't think it's necessary. I think just copy paste and voila, you have an articles. Okay, so but unfortunately this site you have to pay, but it's not that expensive. It was around 20 ringgit per month, so around 75,000 rupiah. You don't have to purchase like every month, just like only 1 month when you write something. Okay, that's all. Thank you.